In this quick Godot tutorial, I'll show you how to add a glow or bloom post-processing effect to any 2D scene. If you've ever enabled glow and nothing happened in 2D, there's one important setting most people miss. Let's set it up properly. First, add a WorldEnvironment node to your scene. Select it, then in the inspector, create a new environment resource. Scroll down and enable glow. You can increase intensity, strength, bloom. At this point, you still might not see anything in 2D. That's normal. This is the key step. In the environment settings, find background. Change background mode to canvas. By default, glow only affects 3D. Setting background mode to canvas tells Godot to apply post-processing to all 2D elements like sprites, particles, UI, and tile maps. As soon as you switch this to canvas, glow will start working in your 2D scene. Now tweak the settings. Increase intensity for stronger glow. Adjust bloom for spread. Lower HDR threshold if glow is not visible. Glow only appears on bright pixels, so brighter colors will glow more. And that's it. To make glow work in any 2D Godot scene, just enable glow and set the environment background mode to canvas. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Godot tips. See you in the next one.